दिल के माइक्रोफोन पे एक आवाज लगती है एक तरफ तूफान एक तरफ तू अकेला फिर भी खड़ा रहता सिर्फ सच का चेला जेब में कानून जुबान पे दलील सीने में हिम्मत यही तेरा शील गली गली घूम के
Hello friends, how are you? In this video, we will discuss about the mistakes of mine. While I speak English, then I mistakes. Yes. While I practice English language, then absolutely. This is right. That because of I am practicing here, so I can mistake. And I'm not ashamed of mistakes. Because mistakes is the part of learning. And this is one of the most important thing. If you learn something new, then you can mistake, right? This is the more possibility. There is more possibility to mistake. Okay, if you learn something new, if you want to become something big, so this is the normal thing, and you have to face this issue, and you have to learn this. You have to learn from your mistakes, right? And mistake and doubt is the part of success and learning. This is one of the most important and right thing where you can easily check your ability, where you are mistaking where you have to improve something, right? So mistakes tell you that what you have to improve in your English language. And this is right, that a mistake in English language to communicate, to speak anything, to tell anything, to discuss about anything on the camera in English language. So this is the normal thing, and I'm not ashamed of mistakes. Okay, so this is my third day where I'm practicing English language. So if you like this video, so please press the like button, comment your opinion in the comment box so that I can check my level. And for my feedback, for our feedback, just comment your opinion in the comment box and share this video as many people as possible. Okay, we will meet in next video with something new. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
एक तरफ तूफान एक तरफ तू अकेला फिर भी खड़ा रहता सिर्फ सच का चेला